Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into an exciting English word, aim. It's a versatile B1 level verb that means to point or direct something toward a target or goal. Whether you're hitting a bullseye, setting career goals, or planning your next move, aim is a word you'll find incredibly useful. To aim is to focus your effort or attention on something specific. For instance, you might aim an arrow at a target in archery or aim to improve your English skills by listening to podcasts like this one. It's all about direction and intention. Some great synonyms for aim include target, direct, and focus. For example, you could say, she is trying to target her message to a younger audience, or he decided to focus his efforts on studying for the exam. Another example might be, the teacher directed the students toward the correct answer. On the flip side, some common antonyms of aim are ignore, neglect, and overlook. For instance, if someone is distracted, they might ignore their responsibilities. Or if a project is poorly planned, the team might overlook an important detail. In daily life, you can use aim in a variety of situations. Imagine you're at a sports event and here, he aimed the basketball at the hoop and scored. Or in a work setting, someone might say, our company aims to provide excellent customer service. It's also common in personal growth, like, I aim to exercise 3 times a week. Here are a few more examples to help solidify your understanding. She aimed her camera at the perfect sunset. We aim to finish the project by Friday, and the organization aims to raise awareness about climate change. Notice how these sentences highlight both literal and figurative uses of the word. To wrap things up, we've learned that aim means to direct something toward a goal or target, and it can be used in both practical and metaphorical contexts. With synonyms like target and focus, and antonyms like ignore and neglect, you're ready to use aim confidently in your conversations. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so why not create your own sentence using aim and share it in the comments? Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep aiming high.